So guys, we want to head over into our BIOS. Now to do that, you want to restart your computer and then just spam the delete key on your keyboard. So we're going to click on the Windows Start icon, click on the power button, and then click on restart, and then just keep on pressing delete on your keyboard. Just keep on pressing it. Which will then take you into the BIOS. Now it's going to look maybe like this, so you want to click on F2 on your keyboard, which will then bring you into here. Now this is the first way on how to do it. So right here, under boot sequence, you just want to click, and now once from this, you could just change the order. So let's say that I wanted this drive first in the boot sequence. You just want to click and hold it, and then just drag it, and make sure that it's on 1. So that's the first way how to do it. Now for the second way, you want to click on F2 on your keyboard again, which will then bring you to here. Then you want to click on BIOS, and you can also change the boot option priorities from here as well. You just want to double click, and then you can select which one's which, and you can just change all the drives. Now once you've done that, you want to click on save and exit on the top, then click on save and exit setup, and then click on yes. Now it's going to take us back into Windows.